How to limit who can see your email address on your profile information. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can see your email address on your profile. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Now click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down, click on how people find and contact you. Now you have the option number 3, which is who can look you up using the email address you provided. Now click on who can look. Now click on this upload the people you can who can see your profile, your email profile on your Facebook. Just choose everyone or friends or of friends or friends or only me to make it private. And this is it. So this is it guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.